So you may be looking through your tomatoes and you will see on part of the stem some white things that are protruding out of it. And you might think that there's something wrong with your tomatoes. There's nothing wrong with your tomatoes. That's simply roots that are developing on the stem. We all know that at the time that you see them come up, that's why we plant them deeper, because every hair can potentially become a root. Well, this is what's happening. Even if there's no soil around, if you have a lot of moisture that's staying on the stem or you go through a very wet spell, then those roots will start developing thinking that there is soil to be rooted into. So don't worry about it. Let the plant be. It'll still produce tomatoes perfectly and it will not affect the plant at all.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.